good morning. In this video, we will discuss some examples of vector space. There is an easy way to write the examples of vector space. Okay, so examples of vector space. There is an easy way to write the examples of vector space. Otherwise, we need to by heart the examples for vector space. But this is a very easy method. That is, just remember the word big over small. Okay, big over small. So, big, let me consider complex. Then some set that must be smaller than this set. Let it be R, real numbers. So complex or okay. Then I will consider next example, that is what? Integers. Integers, and the set must be less than this set. Let it be natural numbers. Less than, over natural numbers. Natural numbers. Real numbers. Okay. These are, then you can try more examples, and these are examples of vector space, and if you have time, please check out. Then it is clear that these examples will definitely satisfy the conditions of vector space, and you can write other examples like this. Okay, so you can find some more examples, and please comment through your comment box. You can comment in your comment box. Thank you for watching. I think this will be useful to you. Okay, thank you.